Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for an amazing chair to put on your back porch and watch the days go by? Let me tell you about this. Take a look at my summertime bestie. Oh man, this thing is so wonderful to have around and sit on my back porch. It was very easy to put together once I read the instructions right. I gotta admit, I did have a little bit of trouble because I was coming at it like a man or something and just looking at the pictures. But you gotta read the directions, and then I did it all by myself and it wasn't even that hard. I didn't cry one time. And when it was done, I had a fantastic place to sit down and ponder how much I should take some kind of handyman course or something. One of the best features of this thing is that it is portable. That's right, this thing folds up. That's the best feature of it. So it's very compact, it folds up very small, and then you can fit it in your trunk and take it to the next get-together you go to. I like to bring it down to my fire pit. It's also very easy to just set back up. That's fantastic. You put the little toggles in and then you're ready to go. So my summertime bestie can go with me everywhere I wanted to go. She is just brilliant. That's right, it's a female. Her name is Amelia. So I want to take a minute and tell you about how impressed I am about the durability of this. I have a busy life, I have pets, I have kids, and I've kept this thing outside through the rain, through the blazing heat, through thunderstorms, through wind, and it looks brand new. I love that. It keeps up with my busy life, and I think it's going to last forever. It's strong, it's durable, and it puts up with my family. I love having this chair on my back porch. It's so nice to sit here and watch the days go by. But that's just my point of view.